cheesecake, which is
Isabel, hi. How are you?
Oh, honey, but you need your shoes on.
Oh my goodness, did you take your shoe off? Why did that happen? Why did you do that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Somebody crying? Did you drop your shoe?
Laura.
You put your shoes on.
You know, you know what I like to sing? I like to sing Jingle Bells. Can you sing Jingle Bells with me? Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
There's the proud mother. And silly Uncle Shane.
There's Uncle Shane coming.
What's Uncle Shane doing?
You want to take your coat off?
She's looking. What's he doing?
Yeah. You want to come up?
Who's that? Who's this? Who's that?
Who's that?
No,
Julia.
No, he just said Benjamin. He just, oh! He got you. Did he get you? No. Did he get you? Where'd he go?
Can you say Aunt Kate?
Where's Aunt Kate?
Where's Aunt Kate? Can you say Aunt Kate? With a necklace.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Do you want to have it? You want my necklace? Here you go.
Say thank you.
Uh-oh.
Mama dropped it. Oh, the sun. Here you go. Can you put it on? Can you do it? You do it. You do it. Almost. Almost. Ready? We'll do it together.
Your mouth.
Oh, good job. You did it. I'm going to put it on. Oh, what a pretty necklace. Oh, so pretty.
Isabel, so pretty.
Are you wearing my necklace? Is it making you sleepy?
I wish.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No. Hey, no. I'm not sleepy.
Oh, you silly Aunt Kate.
Silly
Silly Aunt Kate. She lay down for maybe, a minute and decided she wasn't going to have the
No,
nap.
then
Then I picked her up. She said, I had a good nap. No, she's a party girl. Yeah, she's a party girl.
Sleepy. You are getting sleepy.
ice cream?